In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Freelancer operations app in Glide. We're going to walk through a simple setup that helps you add a projects view to your app and display the information in a more visual way. If you're building an operations app for freelance work, this is a useful way to organize project data, so it's easier to review inside Glide. Start by opening your browser and going to Glide. Once the site loads, click Login and access your account. After you're signed in, open the app you want to edit. Make sure you're selecting the correct app before making changes, especially if you manage more than one project in your workspace. When the app editor opens, go to the left side panel and click the plus icon to add something in the navigation area. This is where you create a new section in your app so users can move between different views. When prompted to choose a data source, select the Projects table. This tells Glide that the new screen should pull its content directly from your project's data, which is ideal for a Freelancer operations setup where tracking active work is important. After that, move to the right side panel and choose a style for how this new section will appear. The style controls the visual presentation, so pick the one that best matches the kind of experience you want in your app. For example, some layouts are better for scanning information quickly, while others feel more detailed and structured. Choose the one that fits your workflow. Next, return to the left side panel and click the plus icon to add a component. From the list of available components, add a chart component. This is a great way to make your app more useful at a glance, because charts help turn raw project data into something visual and easier to understand. Once the chart has been added, go to the right side panel and edit the details. This is where you adjust how the chart displays your information. Take a moment here to make sure the data shown is relevant to the projects table and that the chart reflects the story you want your app to tell. A well-configured chart can make it much easier to monitor work, compare items, or spot patterns. When everything looks right, click Publish in the top right corner. This makes your updates live so your Freelancer operations app is ready to use. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.